Hi everyone, my name is Magdalene and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to comfortably wear false lashes. I'm going to be using my favorite style, Morning Dew by Doe Lashes, and I just really love how soft their lashes are so it doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable throughout the day. I've already went ahead and applied my face makeup, and the next thing you want to do is curl your lashes so that it blends better with the false eyelashes. So I'm just gonna curl a little bit of it, okay? And then the next thing is you want to take out the lashes. And what a lot of people do is they pull out the lash in order to get it out of the box, but you don't want to do that because it can ruin the shape of the lashes. So what I like to do is I like to go from the corner and I just pinch a little bit of the edge and just pull it out like so. And you want to get it from the lash band. Okay, and then now that we have it out, you want to make sure that it fits on your eyes. So you just place it on top of your lashes and you want to see how much extra you have to trim off. So for me, there's a little bit more that I have to cut at the edge, and you want to make sure you cut it from the outer exterior of the lash. This much, and you want to make sure you always cut less than more, just in case you cut off too much. But you can always cut more, but you can't always like put it back. I'm just gonna try it again to see, and I think that should be good. Okay. And then the next thing is to apply the lash glue onto the lashes, and I'm going to be using the Duo Glue in the dark tone, and I think it just blends better with your eyelash line, so you want to apply a little bit. So what I like to do is I like to like squeeze a little bit and not squeeze too much and just drag the lash glue along the band. And you want to make sure you get like the outer corner and the inner corner because that's where it usually tends to lift throughout the day. Okay, and then you want to wait for about 15 to 20 seconds for it to dry and get tacky, because if you put it on right away, it's just gonna slip and slide and you don't really want that. Okay, now that the lash glue is a little bit more tacky, we're gonna apply it onto our lashes now. And what I like to do is I like to put the lash in between the tweezers in the middle of it. You wanna like look down so that you don't have the mirror too high up. It's really hard to put it on top of your lashes when you do that. So you wanna have the mirror facing downward and you point your chin up. And so you look down and you wanna place it right on top of your natural lashes and get it as close to it as you can. And I like to place it in the center first, and then after that I move to the inner corner and just place it as close to the lash line as you can, and then I work on the outer corner. And then what I like to do is I like to press my natural lashes and the false lashes together at the lash band just so it blends a little bit better like that. And you can also use your fingers if the tweezers aren't really getting in there. And there you have it. So we've also gotten a lot of questions about how to apply false lashes with monolids, and I actually brought one of my friends here today, Isis. Yay!
Hello.
And she's gonna show you guys how to apply false lashes on monolids.
Hello, my name's Isis, and today I'll be showing you how to apply doe lashes on monolids. I know the struggle of having to put on false lashes on monolids because it always hits your eyelid and ends up being super duper uncomfortable. I'll be showing you how to cut your lashes, how to determine where to place them, and my entire lash routine. First, gently remove the lashes from the box. Peel them from the plastic case by pinching on the side of the edge and pulling off gently. You want to make sure you do this so that none of the lashes get torn off during the process. Slightly close your eye and look down so you can place the lash on your eyelid to get the best measurement for your own eye shape. If you have more hooded eyes, cut the lash before it hits your eyelid. And also make sure that you cut it diagonally for a more natural looking lash. See which parts are excess and cut them off. Place the lash back on your eyelid to do one final check to make sure everything feels comfortable and the lash band fits comfortably on your eyelid. Line the lash band with a thin layer of glue and wait 15 seconds so that it turns tacky. Always place the lash on the center of your lid and then move to secure the edges after. You want to look downwards so that the lash band does not hit your eyelid if it was open. And then once the glue has fully dried, open it so that you see the full effect. And there you got it, the perfect monolid falsies.